Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming and watching. So I have just a quick video for you guys. I want to make this real darn quick. I just want to talk about this product that I've picked up from Superdrug. Oh, must have been a good while ago now. It's the Gosh Mix and Fix color drops. So they have a lot of these. I don't know if I've heard anybody really talking about these. So these are the Mix and Fix color drops. So these ones are this one is the lightening drops. They had all different types. So this is the Lightens Foundation and Concealer one, and I got it in the shade 001 Light. I think there was another one or two different colors. I cannot remember. It's been so long. This comes in the packaging like this, and you get 30 milliliters, which is like a foundation, which is brilliant because you only need a drop or two depending on how dark your foundation is to how light you need it. And this has been a heaven sent to me because I have such a hard time with foundation. I didn't even use it today with the one I did, and I should have maybe just a little bit. So you can add a little or however much you want with this. Can't remember how much this was. I want to say it was like 10 pounds. Pretty sure it was 10 pounds, so it's quite expensive, but you do get like a foundation amount, and I love this. And I think I would pay 10 pounds again for this. I really do think I would. So my review is this works really great. So what I do is I pump out my foundation, and I already know a lot of times like, okay, that's too dark or whatever, but always remember you can add drops, but you cannot take away drops. So always start with a little, mix, see what the color looks like, and then add a little bit more. It's the same as with baking. You can always add, but you can't take away, because like, have you ever like, put flour in and then you're like putting baking soda in and you like drop too much and you're just like, oh crap. Like, it's really hard to get baking soda out of flour. They look so alike because they're both white. So anyway, so it comes with a top that just kind of screws off like that. You just screw it off, and then it has just like a little dropper. It's not even a dropper, but it's, I don't know how to, it has a little hole at the top kind of thing. And what you do is you just squeeze it out. I use little trays. These are from Makeup Revolution. These work great. They come with the eye foils that they used to have. I don't know, I don't think they have the eye foils anymore, but I think they're coming back with eye foils. But anyway, I just use a little tray if you have like a little dish or something, and you just drop, so you put the foundation on first. I always put the foundation on. Usually I put a pump of the foundation and then a drop of this, and I mix and then see, because some of my foundations are darker than the other, even though they all say they're ivory. They are different. So you just put a drop in. I'm going to put a drop just on my hand for you guys so you can see the color. I don't want to pour out too much. So it is quite easy to just drop a little bit or more or whatever you need on. So it just looks like that. And then it is quite a thinner consistency, as you can see there, and it just blends lovely as well. So I find this does not mess with my foundation, meaning it doesn't change the consistency really of my foundation. It literally just changes the color. So it is absolutely fantastic. It has lightened up so many of my foundations that I want to wear but are way too dark. You know, some foundations, again, I need lighter ones. So if you're somebody who's pale and just cannot find a light enough foundation, or you bought a foundation and it's a shade too dark, these lightening drops are amazing by Gosh. I'm really, really impressed with these lightening drops from Gosh. The consistency of the drops is great. It's not super watery and it's not super thick. It's just perfect. So it goes right into your foundation, and a little goes a long way. So always just add a little and then keep adding a little as you go. Don't just like think, oh, I need like one big blob, because you don't. After a while, you'll know exactly how much you need with that foundation. But yeah, this is great if like an ivory, if one foundation, like it says it's ivory and it's the lightest you can get, but you love that foundation, it's a shade too dark, or even two shades in the winter sometimes too dark for you, this will be your friend. Great consistency. I don't think it really has a smell. Great amount. The price is like 10 pounds is a little high in my opinion, because I know you can get one from Catrice that's like 4 pounds, I think, or 3 pounds or 4 pounds or something like that. I think it's about €4 for me, so it's probably like 3 pounds something. but the amount of this is great, and the consistency and how it works is really, really good. So please check this out. I think it works great. It lightens up foundations really, really well. I was gonna kind of show you maybe just how well it mixes. So I'll show you with my Rimmel Match Perfect, which is just like a shade too dark for me. So what I do is I just pump. I'm not gonna put a whole lot because I don't want to waste a lot. So I just put a little bit of foundation in there, but usually I put a whole pump. Okay, sorry if I look a little different. My camera died and I had to reset, and it's gotten really cloudy and everything. So I had to charge my battery and I'm back. So it's like almost an hour later. So a little drop of the foundation is in there, and I'm going to put just a tiny little drop of the mixer in there. And I'm gonna actually, I'll swatch what the Rimmel looks without. Oh, this is just not going good. Okay, so I'll do a little swatch of the foundation without being mixed. Okay, can you see? Can you see? So it's right there. I know it doesn't like look like, oh, that's not that bad of a match. It's not, it's just not great. So then I'm just gonna mix those two together. And then I'll put it beside the other swatch. Now, these are both quite close, okay? So here's this one. See how it's like really easily blending into my skin? Whereas this one is definitely too dark. And it's only like a shade, like I said. Like just a half a shade too dark, but it does oxidize. So they're both gonna oxidize just that little bit still, and they're gonna be even darker. Because most foundations will oxidize. That's just my quick review on the mixer from Gosh. I really love this Color Drops mixer so much. It's so helpful if you're pale skin and you're looking for something that is just, okay, the color is changing again because now the sun's deciding to come out because I'm recording. So yes, these drops are fantastic. If you do not have drops and you're looking for some, try the Gosh ones. They are really, really, really good. So yeah, good product. Love it. And it does what it's supposed to do. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these kind of videos, please thumbs it up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification button so you know when I'm notified, so that you are notified when I upload. Thank you so much. Until next time, take care everyone. Bye.